lost in Bilbao. Not bad.
One sec. Let me work out what I'm doing.
Get that magical autofocus. Lost in this motherfucker. Oh, see the lens just go crazy.
My life, my life, my life,
Not a
my
bad
life
place to be
in
lost,
the
is it?
sunshine.
Yeah.
Everybody loves the sunshine. Sunshine. Everybody loves the sunshine. Sunshine. Folks get down in the sunshine. How you feeling?
Ding
I
ding.
don't think that worked, James.
Round two.
How you feeling?
Last time I told you turn it up a little. Tried to be tired, but you wasn't used to it. It's so L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. Tried to be tired, but you got to get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. Tried to be tired, but you got to get over it. Now it's not in your interest to duplicate her. Brother like me, man, I'll just frustrate ya. Can't help being great, it's in my nature. Hater, hate to break ya. Spirit, but there's no gimmick here, we lively. Acting like we brothers when you're really not Isley. Surprise me, tell me you ain't so. I know suckers despise me, hate how I wax shows. I can't help being so, L-I-V-E so. I think crack PAs need to be vetoed. Out of here, out of there. Take your pick of any road, cause I'm out to tear the house down, leaving the ligaments. Out to magnificence, got the significance. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to recommend a certain specimen anyone else will pass it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. Try to be tired, but you got to get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. Try to be tired, but you got to get over it. Once again. All of you, ding ding, and I'm about to switch. People in my mix like Jon Malkovich. Little green memory bright coats running around. Hype quotes on a clipboard trying to be down. Analyze how we walk, talk, breathe, and move. Put me back on earth, therefore I need my shoes. Where's my wristwatch? Thank you. Please come again. I left a style or two. I know you need some of them. I got you. Skyscraping for silver specks of running, lifting blueprints, photocopy patterns of running. Catch a drop of sweat, put it in your beach reading. Scientists quite baffled by the freakiness.
Well, I'm so glad they did that first go.
On stage sexiness. Marvin Gaye said it best. Come and get to this. Time music's hardcore, cutting in with no swords. Lightsaber, Star Wars, side talk, break doors. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. Try to be tired, but you got to get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. L-I-V-E so. Get over it. Try to be tired, but you got to get over it. Try to be tired, but you wasn't used to it. Try to be tired, try to be tired. That's right. Try to be tired, but you wasn't used to it. Twice rhyme I commit, I probably let you to spit. Try to be tired, but you wasn't used to it. Try to be tired.
That's my helmet.
Hello, James.
Not just an old man, are you? No, mate.
Better.
I got that!
Strange neighbor, nice diggy. Cooling out in a summertime session, undiscovered life lessons in a class of his own, trying to study life's lessons. Some try and understand him, really none can quite get him, so he tends to block characters with underlying tension. Far from the type to run through life pretending, knowing any loose beginning could discover tighter endings. I know the time's soon coming like a pension. When I leave for that place, I need none of my possessions. But the day I let that cause me to suffer like depression is the day I let these mother other lovers with my progression, though it's come to my attention that some are slightly threatened by this alien who may have been discovered by the Jetsons. Singing lullabies, I wonder why intention, working so hard he's even doing something while he's resting. Others might respect him while some are like forget him, but either way they always want to come to mice with questions like, hey mice, how do you feed those needs? I beg you shed light on what we don't see. What's the motivation? How do you always seem so pleased? I tell them like an OG told me, I just keep doing it, keep doing it, just keep doing it, keep doing it, I just keep doing it, keep doing it, just keep doing it, until it can't be done. It might seem kinda bonkers to these guys who watch, but he works like a slave so he can eat like a monster. A straight up fella, that's probably why the posture reads a label ain't nothing, I can see by the roster. Not on a major, still get major respect, just like compliments made to the chef. It's gourmet on every plate that you get. Those in denial can't stomach it, so they stay out the kitchen or remain with the sweat. So you're awake now, maybe you slept on the talent and the way that it's kept, not understanding that the flavour is fresh. I like the failures with major regrets who forget that face in the mirror's one way to reflect, putting blame on another man cause they weren't discovered. Man, I say put some work in and shame on you brother man. No point in stressing cause you ain't got the upper hand, but if there's a lesson that you may wanna understand, say hey mice, how do you feed those needs? I beg you shed light on what we don't see. What's the motivation? How do you always seem so pleased? I tell them like an OG told me, I just keep doing it, keep doing it, just keep doing it, keep doing it, I just keep doing it, keep doing it, just keep doing it, until it can't be done. And through the ups and the downs, the rough with the smooth, from the bloods in the mood, and still be crushing the grooves, adjusting the noose, but still hanging in there with nothing to lose but some bills in his chin hair, stuck in the booth, just spitting truth, nothing to prove. Hey, stop interrupting the dude, disrupting the rules, but if you're stuck he can chuck you a couple of jewels when you are, hey mice, how you feed those needs? I beg you shed light on what we don't see. What's the motivation? How do you always seem so pleased? I tell them like an OG told me, I just keep doing it, keep doing it, just keep doing it, keep doing it, I just keep doing it, keep doing it, just keep doing it, until it can't be done. Hey mice, how do you feed those needs? I beg you shed light on what we don't see. What's the motivation? How do you always seem so pleased? I tell them like an OG told me, I just keep doing it.